Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the March 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box to share with you all today. I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. So I'm going to open it up here and we'll see what the theme is. Marbled Minerals. Welcome to Marbled Minerals, where the raw beauty of the earth meets the intricate artistry of metalwork. Each month we curate a treasure trove of swirling patterns, hand-selected stones, and detailed metallic accents designed to spark your creative vision. Dive into this collection and let these unique relics transform your next masterpiece into something truly extraordinary. And then everything that's in the box is on the back. And there's a little peek. Looks like I've got some stretchy string. And a big pretty toggle clasp. Some pretty things in there. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And first I have some Potomac Mermaid glass beads. The color is Lavender Matte. And they're 6mm. And I apologize that my voice is a little bit weird. I think I have a little bit of a cold, so my voice is a little strange today, and I might have to stop periodically to cough. I don't want to cough in y'all's ears. I always love these mermaid beads. They look like they glow inside. It's really pretty. And then next are some disc duo beads. The color is White Lila Vega Luster. They're 6mm. Of course, they have 2 holes. I only have one pin out here, but hopefully I can get it to where you can see the other hole. Yeah, that's the other hole. Really pretty color. And then next are some Iris Duo beads. The color is Copper. They're 7x4mm. And they have the 2 holes there. Since you can see them pretty well in that tray and they have the 2 holes, you can see the 2 holes. I think I'll just leave them and not put them on a pin. One side is flat like that there and the other side is domed. And then next are some check swirl drop beads. The color is Chesapeake Drift. And these are drilled through. Yeah, they're drilled through the top like that. It's really pretty. Two different colors swirled together there. It's really, really pretty. And then next is Gem Duo mix. It says metal mix. Now, of course, the Gem Duos have 2 holes too. You can see them there on the side. They're a diamond shape. And one side, I don't know if you can tell, but one side of them are flat, and the other side is kind of got a little point to it there. All kinds of pretty colors in there, kind of a coppers and sort of gold and some chocolatey brown colors. They're really, really pretty. And then next are some Athena cast ball head pins. They're 38 millimeters, premium antique copper plating. I always love to get findings, especially Athena cast. They're always really good quality findings. And then next are 2 Potomac crystal rivolis. They're amethyst, and they're 8 millimeter. And I just ordered a bunch of rivolis from Potomac beads. They were having a sale. You could buy 2 packs and get 1 free. And I got a lot of them because y'all know I kind of like to bezel things, and those are really pretty. Little tiny rivolis. The ones I got some 10 and some 14 millimeters. And then afterwards I wished I had got some 12 millimeters, but I didn't. Those are just really pretty. And then next are some check glass long barrel beads. The color is Peridot Gold Splash. That's really cool. Really pretty. And then next I have 2 Athena cast pewter toggle clasps. It says leaf and grapes, premium antique brass. These are really cool. I've got the leaf and then the grapes on the bar. They're really neat. Pretty. It's got the loop on the there of the tip of the leaf. They're really pretty. And then next are some Potomac crystal round beads. The color is gold champagne, and they're 4 millimeter. Oops. Trying to get into focus here. There we go. They're really, really pretty. Really sparkly and shiny. And then next is a Rizzo beads mix. Those are really pretty. The Rizzo bead has 1 hole there at the top. Got some silver and maybe copper and blue and maybe a dark purple. All kinds of pretty colors in there. Some gold ones maybe, I think. some white ones. All kinds of pretty colors in there. And then next are some Miyuki Twisted Bugle beads. The color is Claret. They're 2 by 12 millimeters. Now, I don't know if I have any twisted bugle beads. I might have a few. If I do, I don't have many. I don't know if you can see that twist. I think you probably can, maybe. Really pretty. And then next are some Miyuki 11-0 seed beads. The color is Matte Transparent Dark Topaz AB. They're really pretty. They go really well with all these other beads. And then next are some Miyuki 11-0 Delica beads. The color is Matte Transparent Topaz AB. Yeah, I was trying to look. The ones I just showed you said Matte Transparent Dark Topaz AB. And these just say Matte Transparent Topaz AB. So they're a little bit lighter color. Delica beads. And then next are some check glass leaf beads. They're 10 by 14 millimeters and the color is milk chocolate. And they're drilled through the top there like that. These out of the way. They're really pretty. And next is the Potomac stretchy string that I saw when I opened the box. It says 10 meters, 0.8 millimeter. No frayed, latex-free elastic cord. Make all kinds of stretchy bracelets with this. And then last are some Potomac Pearl Drop beads. The color is cream and they're 6 by 9 millimeter. Looks like one of mine escaped. Those are really, really pretty. You do all kinds of things with these. Drop them off the bottom of some earrings or string them in a design. Just all kinds of neat things. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll put everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the March 2026 Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box called Marbled Minerals. Just all kinds of beautiful beads and findings to play with. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description box below to the page on the Potomac Beads website where you can go and read about both of their subscription boxes and sign up if it's something that you're interested in. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.